Yes, great. Let's take these examples of VAT. We shall be looking at VAT calculations. We shall start with the interactive discussion. As we see, these are our questions, and our answers will be this other side. All right, these are answers, or someone might call them solutions. Solutions. Anyway, we look at interactive activity 2.4. All right, question number 1. We are doing this question here. Jane bought goods worth 12,400, inclusive of VAT, which is 15%. Determine the amount included as 15% VAT. Now, when you take a look at this, we shall be looking at what we call VAT. So here we are looking, they want us to have the value of VAT. In other words, how much VAT was added. So we shall come here. Remember, we said if you're to use this other, if you're to use the formula that we had, which is exclusive and VAT inclusive, whereby we have 100, 15, and 115. And the formula was, the answer will always be the amount that you have times the percentage that you want over the percentage that you have. Now, in this scenario, we are looking for the VAT included, simply meaning we're looking for the value of VAT. So we want 15%. So the amount that we have is 12,400 times what we want VAT. So we shall put 15 from here over what do we have? We have it as 115. Why am I using 115? Because they say the amount already includes VAT. So I will get the answer there as I will punch my answers into the calculator there, and the answer that I have there, it's 1,617 rands, 39 cents. This is the amount of VAT that we have. And this is question number 1. Question 1, part A. Let's look at part B. Part B, they're asking you, what is the amount exclusive of VAT? So we are trying to, they're trying to say, what is the amount exclusive of VAT, which we shall say again. Our answer will come from the amount that we have times the percentage that we want over the percentage that we have already. The amount that we are dealing with, it already includes VAT. So we already have, sorry, the amount is 12,400 times the amount that we are looking for. It's without VAT. So we shall come here, we are looking for 100. So we shall say 100 over the price that we already have already includes VAT, which simply means it's under this. So the percentage that we have, it's this much, 115. So we end up asking ourselves, what answer do we end up having? And we shall end up having 10,782 rands, 61 cents. That's how we do question number 1, part B. This is when we are using the formula. All right. All right, the other method that we know, or we are used to, we shall say, we are looking for the value of VAT, yet the price already has VAT. So we shall say 12,400. We shall multiply by 15 over 115. Straightforward answer. You will come to 1,617 rands, 39 cents. This is the normal formula that you know. The value of VAT when the price already has what? When the price has VAT already included. So this is question number 1, part A. All right. Let's look at question number 1, part B. Part B is looking for VAT exclusive. We said when you're looking for the price excluding VAT, we shall take the price including VAT and we shall divide it by 1,15. Straightforward, we shall get the 12,400 divided by 1,15. And the final answer becomes 10,782 rand 19 cents. Sorry, 1661 cents. So this is how we do it normally. All right, we look at question number 2. Question number 2, it says 15% VAT included in the price of an item is 1,200. Determine the price of the item without VAT. Now, look here. What we are given in question number 2. In question number 2, we are given VAT. The VAT value is already given as 1,200. So question number A, what does it want you to do? A wants you to give us the price excluding VAT. So we only have VAT. So you ask yourself, how did they get the VAT? So in other words, they took 15 over 100 times the price without VAT, price excluding VAT, they got their answer as 1,200. So this we can easily say, the price that we are looking for, we don't know it. We can put any letter of our choice. We can put T. So whereby it becomes 15T over 100 equals to 1,200. So what do? We cross multiply, whereby we multiply this side by 100. We multiply this side by 100. This 100 will die with that. You're left with 15T equals to 12,000. So divide through by 12. Divide through by 12. And your answer here that is missing that we called T, it's 8,000 rand. This is price without VAT. Price exclusive of VAT. This is how we do it. Or another method would have been, let me see. Another method, you don't forget this one of ours, VAT exclusive, VAT inclusive. All right. So this is, we said it's at 100. This is 15, and this is 115. We are looking for price exclusive. So what do we have? We have VAT. So simply meaning the amount answer will equal to the amount that you have times the percentage that you're looking for over what the percentage that you have. So this equals to the price that you already have, it's a 1,200 times, what do you want? We want 100%. So we shall say 100 over what do you have? Because this 1,200 is representing the value of VAT. So simply meaning we have 15% here. So write 15% there. You still get the same answer as 8,000. You still get the same because 1,200 times 100, you get your 12. You get 120,000. When you divide this by 15, you get your answer as 8,000. This is another method. Okay, so now we look at question number 2, part B. Question number 2, part B. We can use the normal part of it, whereby we shall say 15 over 115. Remember, this is when we use it. We use this when we're looking for the VAT on price including VAT. And when we look at this question, they're asking what is the total cost. The total cost is the same as price excluding VAT plus VAT. You understand? Which equals to price inclusive. Sorry, price with that has VAT. Price including VAT. So we shall say the price that is here, it has to include VAT. And we get the answer as 1,200. So since we don't know this, we shall replace it with any letter of our choice. This letter, we let it be Q. So we shall say 15 times Q will equal to 1,200. Do the method of cross multiplying. What you do on the right, you do it on the left. So this goes with that. So you remain with 15Q, which will equal to 1,200 times 100 and so you have 138,000. This is what you have. So we divide through by 15, divide through by 15. So the number that you're looking for will be 9,200. This is the first method that you can use. Or we go back to our method 2, whereby we are going to use the table. We shall have the exclusive, the VAT, and the inclusive, whereby exclusive is at 100%, VAT comes with 15, and then inclusive, it has 115. So we are looking, we have VAT already. So we have the 15%. The amount is 1,200. What do we want? We want the 115. So we say our answer will equal to the amount times what percentage that you want divided by the percentage that you have. So here it becomes, we have 1,200 times what do you want? We are looking for 115 over what do you have? We have 15. So here the final answer will become 138,000 divided by 15. Indeed, the answer becomes 9,200. Or another person would have done this. Another person would have taken the price exclusive of VAT, and the person would only add what? VAT. So the price exclusive of VAT, we saw it was 8,000, and we have the VAT already as 1,200. When you add the two, you end up having 9,200. This is the answer. All right, let's continue. Now we go to the exercise. All right, for the exercise, we go straight to last exercise 2.4. It asks us to calculate VAT. All right, the cost of an item is 11,200, excluding 15% VAT. How much should be included as VAT? In other words, they're looking for the value of VAT. So we shall say, question number 1.1, this question here. This is what we are looking at. So the value of VAT here shall say, remember the price excludes VAT. So this straightforward, we shall say 15 over 100 times 11,200. 11,200, and the answer becomes 11,200, and the answer will become 1,680 rands. This is the value of VAT together. So we look at question number 1.2. 1.2 wants us to calculate what is the total cost of the item. So in other words, you're including the VAT. So we said 11,200 times 1,5. Why am I multiplying? Because I'm including VAT now. and I will end up having the answer as 12,880. Someone else would have taken it to be the price that the price that they were given, excluding VAT, plus 1,680. This will still give you 12,880. This is also okay. All right, we look at question number 2. Question number 2, we are here. This is question number 2. It talks of, remember the VAT was 14. The old VAT was 14. It was increased recently to 15%. Okay, the price of a laptop was, we are looking at question number, it was 16,999. Remember, this was at 14%. I'm reading the question and I'm summarizing it at the same time. The store management increased the price in response to the raise in VAT to 15%. Now here we go. Question, okay, they raised it to new. Okay, now they're asking 2.1. What was the price exclusive of VAT? So in other words, we are excluding VAT. This one won't change. You only change the 5. So when we are excluding, we said we divide by 1,15. But now we are going to divide by 1,14 because it was the old one. So we are excluding VAT. So straightforward. So the answer here becomes 14,911 rands 40 cents. This is what we have. You see that? So we go to question number 2.2. This was 2.1. We look at question number 2.2. 2.2, it asks, what is the new price of the laptop inclusive of 15%? Now, we cannot go back to 16,999. Why? This had 14. So we had to remove the 14% and we leave it in the normal price. So we need to know what's the new price. This one will become the VAT exclusive amount and we multiply by 1,15. Why are we multiplying by 1,15? The question wants the new price of the laptop computer inclusive of 15% VAT. So this one becomes 17,148 rands and 11 cents. This is the new price. Okay, we look at question number 3. We go to question number 3 here. The following slip was issued to a customer for some items he bought. The slip consists of VAT-rated items, while others are VAT exempted. The VAT is included in each item that is VAT-rated. So we come here and we start answering these questions. Okay, this question is not there, but I'm going to ask you one question here. It asks, how do you tell that this item is VAT-rated and the other one's not VAT-rated? Now, how do you tell that? Usually we come down here and you see, the moment you see here, there's a symbol here that shows 0 rated. On the slip, there will always be something like this. Others use letters, others use hashtags, other slips use this star, the asterisk. So each item that has asterisk, it has no VAT. All right, so let's go to the question and we see. 3.1, it says, determine the total cost of goods that are VAT inclusive. In other words, the goods that have VAT on them. So 3.1, total cost on VAT inclusive items. Inclusive items. So what we're going to do, we have ice cream, which was 27 rand 99 cents, plus we have the beef here, 5 kg of beef, which was 208 rands 10 cents, plus the real juice, which is 97 rands 99 cents. And when you add this, you can't go wrong. You'll end up having your answer as 300 34 rands. 34 rands and 80 cents. This is what we get. Total on VAT inclusive items. All right, when you look at 3.2, calculate the amount included as 15% VAT. Now, VAT is only charged on these items here. So that means we are going to look for 15% of this item. So we shall say the value of VAT equals to 15 over 115 times 300, 34 rands, 8 cents. Remember, why am I using this? Because this price already includes what? VAT. So the 3.2 wants me to get how much VAT is there already. So I had to use this. So I will end up having the answer as 43 rands, 58 cents. This is it. All right. We look at question number 3.3. Question number 3.3, this one here. Question number 3.3. Now, question number 3.3. It's not that much tricky, but it's asking us questions. Okay, by how much would the cost of rail juice reduce if the VAT was rated at 14%? So what you need to do is so what you're going to do here is that first and foremost, we need to reduce, or we shall first and foremost identify the price. So real juice was 97 rand 99 cents. This is but this one here, it has 15% VAT. So we need to know what will be the difference. So the first thing you're going to do is to scrap off the 15% VAT. So we are going to exclude VAT here. So we shall say 97 rand 99 divided by 1,15. 1,15. So when you do that, you end up having 85 rands 21 cents. This is when the price is normal without VAT. But they're asking us the difference. So we shall pick this price here. We increase it by 14%. So we shall say 85 rands 21 cents times 1,14. Why am I increasing it by 1,14? Because you want to find out by how much will it change. So here we come, and the answer becomes 97 rands 13 cents. So the difference is going to be, the difference will be the one with 15% minus the one with 14%. By how much will it reduce? That's what they asked us. So we shall take 97 199 or 97 rands 99 cents minus the 97 rands 13 cents. So this becomes that becomes that. The final answer, you have it as 86 cents. So it will reduce by 86 what cents. Someone would have asked us, but why didn't we subtract straight away 15 minus this? That's the percentage. It's what 1%. You understand? But they asked us by how much will it reduce. So first and foremost, you need to reduce it to take it to normal. This is when the price is it has no any VAT on it. It was from 15% to nothing. Then from nothing, increase it by 14. After increasing it by 14, find what by how much has it changed. Indeed, it had to reduce because 15 is higher than 14. Thank you very much. Subscribe, don't forget, for more videos about mathematical literacy. Bye-bye.